Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is 22nd of February, and this is a release of the daily review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from Trade Hub, and me, leading analyst Mikhail. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. After the supposed wave 2, we also get waves 1 and 2 in upward direction, but for a smaller degree. If you have purchases, then stop can be placed behind the top of the second wave of this period. As for the franc dollar, it looks like we got such a correction within second wave in the form of a zigzag, so we are expecting a decline within the third downward wave. The stop can be placed behind the top of the second wave of this period or behind the invalidation level. As for the British pound, I switched to the option with a stretching in the fifth wave. We got the leading diagonal, after this a correction in the form of a zigzag in the second wave, and now wave 3 of this period is developing, in which we got waves 1, 2 and developing the third upward wave. There are two options for Canadian dollar. First one you can see on the chart, this is waves 1, 2 and 1, 2 in downward direction. And the second option, the end of this whole impulse at this point. For the dollar Japanese yen, we go into the expected correction, the targets of which are the levels of 50 and 61% of Fibonacci levels. For the Australian dollar, we quickly formed the second wave and continue to grow. I think this is only the waves 1 and 2 in the composition of the third upward wave. As for WTI crude oil, it looks like we are getting a downward correction. Also we can see the supposed triangle within wave B or wave X. This indicates that the downward movement is not over yet. S&P index moves down within the correction, and it is likely that it is not completed yet and we will see some more decline. In the gold market we need to get a large leading wave for continuation of growth, while I'm out of the market. And the last for the day, Bitcoin. I closed all my Bitcoin purchases at the upper border of this channel. But apparently the growth is not over yet, and after the correction I will look for new points to buy. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.